Good evening, everyone. I hope everybody is doing well, sheltering in place. Welcome to Diaz Dance Ballroom. My name's Randy Diaz, and this is my lovely wife,
Tonja Martin Diaz.
and we're going to show you some transitions this evening from open position to closed position.
Because more often than not, when you ask your teacher, a judge, your coach, what they'd like to see you improve the most upon in your dancing, they more than likely will point to your transition. So we're going to do tonight for you a common transition that people use a lot, from open position to closed.
Here we go.
So as the lady, I'm going to move my ankles, knees, and thighs towards the direction he's leading first, pushing off my standing leg, stepping forward with my right foot on the heel under my left shoulder. Then I'm going to commence to rise, which will pull my left foot from behind me, allowing me to swing it up into the gentleman's right side. Then as he continues to rise, I'm going to pull my thighs together all the way up through my spine for a nice vertical line, turning my ankles, knees, and thighs towards the direction he's leading into promenade, followed by my head, and then we're out.
All right. So let's do that one more time. So, gentlemen, as I lead this, I'll lead the lady towards the common center, and I will do the same. I'll be taking a heel lead on my left, squeezing my thighs together, and I'm going to connect with the lady, and I'm going to bring her up to closed position, and I'm going to continue to rise on 2, and I'm going to turn to promenade and come out on 3, and I'm up on 3, and then I'm going to lower at the end of 3, and then step up. Okay, everyone. So, and also, I'd like to remind everybody that this is always danced along the line of dance, not to be mistaken with Lost on Dance Floor.